to my channel. My name is Shay, and today I want to share with you guys some of the items that I purchased on YesStyle. I purchased some clothing items for the first time. I've always been curious about how they would fit my body type, and so I want to share that with you. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first item I purchased was this crop top, and I absolutely love it. It's white and the material is actually pretty good and it's very stretchy. I usually don't wear crop tops, especially now that I live in Korea, but I did buy some pieces that I want to layer on top of it, and I think it would look really cute. One thing I would say is the cups. They're not the highest quality, but then again, this shirt was very inexpensive, and honestly, for the price, it's pretty good. I think if you're a size extra small to maybe medium, this will fit you very well. For me, I'm like a size small, so this fit me very well. So the next item I purchased was this sheer blouse, and this was in one size, I believe also. I really do love this blouse, and I was actually very nervous because usually with sheer blouses they can be kind of itchy, and this one is pretty decent. It's really nice. Um, I bought this with the intention of wearing this to Thailand to put over my bathing suit, but this also works very well just as a layering piece if you have like a tube top or crop top and you want to cover yourself up a little bit more. I think it is a really great piece to have in your closet when you do want to make a simple outfit look a little bit better. And I think layering is a great way to kind of spice up your outfit a little bit. So this is a really great piece to have, and I'm very happy with it. And it was also very inexpensive, which is great. So this is a win. So the next piece is actually one of my favorite pieces in this entire haul video, and it is this long sleeve strapless crop top. I think it is absolutely adorable and just really cute for summer, maybe late spring or early fall if you're in a warmer climate. I will have to admit that in the arm area where it tends to tighten, it is super tight. So if you wear a size bigger than a small, I don't recommend this because again, it does come in a one size, but it is very cute and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to quickly talk about the jeans that I'm wearing in this video. I bought them in a store in Korea called Chu, and they are actually one of my favorite jeans that I've purchased so far. They're these light wash high-waisted jeans, and while shopping on YesStyle, I realized that you can also purchase them on there as well. They have a lot of items from Chu, so I highly recommend you checking them out. Okay, the next item I have is this, I would say mustard tube top. I absolutely love this. It's very stretchy. I would say if you're extra small to small, I don't think I would recommend this to someone who's a medium or large. I do love the color. It looks really cute alone, or if you layered up like what I did with the white sheer blouse, I layered them together and they look so good. The next item I purchased was this beautiful long black slit dress. I am in love with this. One thing that I will say about this that I am so happy about is that it is comfortable, it's stretchy, and it has this beautiful back detailing. I am in love with this dress. I see myself wearing this going out with my friends, or even very casual. I could even use the sheer white blouse again and just tie it up on top of this dress and make it a bit more casual. And the final piece of clothing I purchased was this beautiful green flowered wrap dress. I absolutely love this one, you guys. It's very airy but not see-through, and it fits me very well. This is in a size small, and I couldn't be happier with this dress. Material is not the greatest, but it's not too bad either. I think if I saw it in the stores, I would probably still purchase it after trying it on. And because it is a wrap dress, I feel like it will flatter any body type because you can adjust it to how tight or how loose you want it to be. So I think this is a great purchase for any body type. and it's not too short, which I like because I need to be a little bit more conservative here in Korea. And on to the jewelry. I have purchased jewelry from YesStyle before and I absolutely loved it, which is why I wanted to purchase more. And the last piece of jewelry I purchased was the one that I'm wearing now. It is the drop star necklace, and it's so pretty. It's a choker style. It goes really well alone, or you can layer it up. I like to usually layer it up with my small diamond drop necklace. And yeah. And if you're wondering about these earrings that I'm wearing now, I also bought these off YesStyle, so I'll link those down below as well if you're interested. Alright, so that's all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll go ahead and link everything down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.